Hey everyone, how are you doing today? This is George, and today's toy unboxing, we're going to take a look at these beautiful little House of Pass mini brands by Zulu. And these came out last year, I think, and they since released waves 1, 2, and I think wave 3 of the food mini brands. Sorry for that. And also released the first 2 waves of the toy mini brands, and quite a few people have been collecting these for some time now. And I'm one of the last on the bandwagon because I wasn't sure if they'd be worth it or not. And the more videos I've seen these, the more I actually like them. I'm even trying to make some of my own mini brands via my Frog stuff, because she had a video on making your own mini brands out on her videos. You have to check her channel out to see what I'm talking about. And these are so beautiful. This set came in a pack of 2. Got mine for like $11 at Amazon.com. And before I go any further, I want to tell you guys that this is a channel that's geared toward adult toy collectors like myself. If you're under the age of 13, please have someone watch it with you, or those don't watch it at all. Now these came in a pack of 2. I got mine for $11 at Amazon.com. I think it was in sale price, so I don't think it's on sale anymore. And each ball, you get like 5 surprises in them. And here I am, helping out. I'm gonna use my little Barbie table to put the surprises on. And now I'm gonna take these keys out of the box and show them to you guys. And now here are the mini balls out of the package. I had to kind of open up the canister off camera because it took a minute for me to get the tape off. And now here are the mini balls. Aren't they gorgeous, y'all? I got 2 of these right here, and it's my first time ever opening this with you guys. And here's the first one right here. Oh, this is amazing. That's interesting. And now, this part. Could it be a minute? Okay, it's not. Okay, now they come in like orange-shaped peels, and here you have the presents in them. And here's the first surprise. Here's a character list. I'll show it to you in minutes. And what's inside the first one? The cute little can spam light. This is adorable. It says this right for me right here. And next up on the list, number 2. Very cute. It's a killer can of Mentos Pure Fresh Mints. Put this up here. And now number 3. I'm liking this already. I like this one. This is something called, okay. This is called Bosco chocolate syrup. Similar to Hush syrup, but it's called Bosco syrup. You can have your doll have chocolate milk with this. I like what I'm seeing so far. Number 4. Background opening. Okay, got it. This one has a can of soy sauce. Very nice. This look like it's straight, but it's okay. Here we go. I like these so far. Now, last but not least, number 5. Where are you, number 5? Where are you, number 5? What you have for me, number 5? Okay, here you go. And this is a packet of Eggheads candy. It's like a fun size piece of candy, but only smaller. And that's all this number 1. Now here's all the mini bands in number 1. Here's a recap of these. This is the mascarpone chocolate syrup, the Mentos pure mints, the Kikkoman soy sauce, the Spam Light, and the Eggheads. And now I can take a look at the second ball. Here we go. Get this out the way. Here he is, second ball. Yeah, I'm liking this stuff so far. Can't wait to try the Chummy brands one day too. Hopefully I can get some more for my birthday. I definitely love these so far. Here's the plastic covering. I like how they come apart. I see orange slices, like I said earlier. Like this one stay together. And now, here we go. First, so another checklist. The same as the first one. I'll show you guys the checklist I did in the video. And here is a tub of homemade chili. I'll put it up here. Second. But this is really nice. It's a set of Edge, shaving cream. Edge shaving cream. I could definitely use this. Number 3. Kikkoman soy sauce. This is another version of the Kikkoman soy sauce. I'm really impressed with these. Here's number 4. And this is okay, it's a shaving unit. This is a great size for the Chelsea doll, and no, I'm just gonna put it together and show you guys what the end of the video looks like. So right now, I'm just gonna take out all the pieces that goes to it. Came with a lot too. It is very impressive. See, all the 7 units right there. And one more to go. Here you got a bag of Mentos. Very cute indeed. That's it for the balls. Alright, right back to this in the shelves. And here's the shelf all put together. As you can see, it's a good shelf. It's kind of sized more for Chelsea dolls than Barbie dolls, obviously. And I kind of had a little bit hard time put it together because it seemed kind of flimsy, but it's still cute. And here's a recap of all the ingredients I got. Here's the cumin soy sauce, the Mentos, the Bosco chocolate syrup. Oh, he's just tired. He needs to rest. The Hawaiian chili, the Mentos Pure, the Spam, the Edge shaving cream, and the Airheads. And also, here's the checklist I showed you guys earlier. Now I'm gonna show it in full. Here's the first page. As you can see, some of them are called the veil. And you're gonna have to get a lot of them to get the red ones. And here are the color ones. Yeah, these are nice little items. And they are actually great collectibles. Whether you collected them for your dolls or not, they're cute to collect this on their own. I highly recommend them. If you haven't got any today, I suggest you got some up right now. Now, thank you guys for checking out my unboxing review. If you want to see more of my reviews, please subscribe to the channel. That would be appreciated. As always, I want to thank you guys for joining the video. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.